You can actually make $2.5 per 1000 words when you publish on Pocket FM. But since over 9 months now, Pocket FM have changed their rules and regulation. They have changed their complaint policy. And to this video, I'm going to be explaining what these new policies are and how you can start making money with Pocket FM in a new way. Before I proceed deeply into the video, if you are a follower of my channel, if you are a subscriber of my channel, you will realize that the last time I published on this channel was 9 months ago, and this is the reason. I went for NYSC, and if you are living in Nigeria, you know what NYSC means, right? So I was posted to a place where the network, the internet connection is very poor. Now to publish a new video becomes very hard. I could not even browse, talk less of publish a new video. So this has been the reason why I could not make a new video until I was done with this service. I was done with service at in January, and from there I've been trying to get a new place in the city. I've been trying to do a lot of this and that, and thankfully I'm getting ready right now. Not really ready, but then to a certain extent whereby I can start making more videos for you guys. So this is my channel, and what I do on this channel is that I talk about application, I talk about websites where you can really make money online, because I've been making money online since 2020, and even in my NYC I was still making money because I was able to survive if I could not even generate an income for myself. You understand this? So if you want to know about how you can start making money online, maybe by applications you can use, by websites you can use, this is the channel for you, because I'm going to be exposing a lot of these applications and websites people don't really want you to know on this channel. All right, so before I go into the video telling you about this new policy, what these new policies are and everything, so let's do this. I'll be going to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm right there right now. I will be showing this on the screen, so it will be moving. So while I was in NYC, I realized that people were really commenting on this video, because I have actually done a video about this application before, and then but they changed their policy here. So people are really asking a lot of questions. They don't know how to do this and that. So I've been trying to reply some by replying their comments, but then I realized that the best way to tackle this once and for all is to make another video about this application, right? So this is a comment from African Folktale. It says that I should make a video on how to register bank details on this application. I guess the reason why you are asking this question is because you have really gone into the website, you've uploaded your book, and you are searching for how you can update your bank application, or put your bank application, your bank app into the application. Yeah. Now I'll put it to you that you cannot actually add your bank info at the beginning. You understand it? It is until you have been awarded the contract before you'll be able to add your bank information. See, this contract comes in a document. You understand when you get a contract and you are asked to sign. Yeah, you will sign by electronics platform. Now, when you are signing, or before you get to your signature, you will see where they ask you for your bank information, your bank address, your bank this and that, the SWIFT code and everything. So you are going to input that into the contract. Now, when you input that into the contract, you have submitted your contract. It will then display on the website. But I think there is a way you can actually put that into the website too. When we get to that, we'll see that. So I will advise you to stay and watch this video unto the end. Another comment is from Seva Odigwe. I'm not sure if I pronounced this name correctly, but it says that thank you for your timely response. Please, my second question: when you are submitting for the first time, do you start with the daily 2K submissions, or you upload per chapter and complete the 15K word count uploading in one day before consistently posting 2K per word? I don't really understand this question, but then I answered it in a way that I understood it, and this is the reply I give to this person. All right. So it was before that you have to create a 15,000 word count. You understand? That was how the platform, the app was doing it before. Yeah, you have to upload 15,000 word count and then you apply for a contract. But these days, you do not apply for a contract any longer. Yeah, they stopped it. They stopped people applying for contract. How you can actually get contract is by when you start uploading daily chapters. It could be 1,000 words per day. It could be 2,000 words per day. Just make sure that you keep uploading chapters per day, and then when you are uploading chapters, you will see that your analytics, you will see that in there, we will see that in the website. The analytics is either going up or going down. So if it's going up, it means that you have a retention ratio. People are coming to see your book. People are coming people are coming back to read more chapters, to listen to more chapters from you. You understand that? So if they are coming back to listen to more chapters from you, you are actually the algorithm of the platform is actually understanding that people are coming back for your book, and they will have to offer you a contract before you get to 50,000 word count. Please emphasis on 50,000 word count. If you are publishing and you got to 50,000 word count and you were not offered a contract, I would advise that you stop and maybe try out other platform. You start taking, so it won't be like you are wasting your time. So you just, if you publish to 50,000 work, okay, let me share a scenario. So I was writing on this platform. Yeah, I was writing on this platform. I got to 50,000 word counts. My views were, my listeners were around 15,000 listeners. I got to 50,000 word count, but then I was not offered a contract yet. I tested my editor, and then my editor told me to keep on uploading because my retention ratio was very, very good. So when I got to 50,000 word count, I got tired because why should I keep on writing? Yeah, so I took it to another platform, and that is Amazon. And trust me, in my first month of putting this book on Amazon, I made $300 from Amazon. So it is kind of, if you are not getting it with this, if you are trying it out, if you are not getting the contract, when you get to 50,000 word counts, emphasis on 50,000 word counts, you can take your book from there and then you publish it on another platform. After this video, I'll be sharing you a list of platforms that you can work with aside from Pocket FM. You understand? I don't really want this video to be that long, so from here we'll be going right into my laptop. I'll be showing you my laptop screen, and they will be reviewing this platform together in their new policy. All right, so stay tuned and I'll be right. To write on Pocket FM, everything we have to go is to search writer.pocketnovel. All right, so let me do that. I'm going to clear all of this and I'm going to search that. Writer.pocket. It's showing on my search tab because I am used to going to this website, so my browser history has already recognized it anytime I'm trying to call it. Alright, so just search writer.pocketnovel.com on Google. You will see it bring out this as you can see, these are the book I've written on this platform. But for the sake of privacy, I'll be blocking out these titles. Alright, so let me first of all tackle the question. The question, one of the question I raised right now. Alright, the network is kind of slow. Alright, you see where I went to now, you follow the cursor. You saw me go to my profile, and then you will see everything. You see basic details, and then you just have to come here and you will see bank details. So you can still do it from here. But the better way is through that contract where I mentioned earlier. Alright, so you can see everything. So alright, let us go into the policy. Yeah, my network is kind of slow even in this apartment, so I'm trying to get a better apartment, a better place where I can find network, so it won't be much of an hassle if I'm trying to publishing to find where these things are. I think it should be right here. These are contests that are going on Pocket FM, so if you want to join this contest, you can just click on it. But for me, I'm searching for where this policy is, so it should be somewhere around there. Alright. Oh, very good. They've done this. They've made this very, very easier. They've done a YouTube video that I'm going to add this link, this very link. I'm going to put it in the video description. You understand it? So you can just watch it and rewatch it as much as you like. I'm having network issues. I'm going to find a solution to this very soon. So you can just, I think this is a new video. Yes, this is a new video. So you can just play this video. I wouldn't be playing this because of copyright issues. So you can just play it and see this video until the end. And see it until the end. So this is very much everything. If you have more questions, please drop them into my comment section. I'm going to reply them as soon as possible. Do you understand this now? For new viewers who are just seeing this video for the first time, I'm going to put the first video I made about this platform. I'm going to put it in the video description, so make sure you check it out. Alright, so peace out and God bless.